Okay, we're going to talk about review of Unit 3 mid-unit tests. Okay, so the first thing it says solve for the following unit rates. Unit rate is going to be the cost for one of those things. So I talked about a little bit in class. We don't want the cost per dollar. That doesn't make sense. We don't want to find what's a dollar. You can't pay for part of an app. You need to find out the cost per app. So I would write it as my words, my known, and my unknown. I'm going to write it for 1. Okay, so my words, I'm generally going to put cost on top. Apps are going to be on the bottom. So my cost is going to be $10.93 for 8 apps. How much for 1 app? Okay, so the choice is you can cross multiply and divide. You can scale down. You can divide 1093 by 8. Okay, so I'm going to divide 1093 by 8, and I got 1.36625, but it is in cost, okay? So cost is in dollars and cents. So I have to look right here, and that's my penny slot, my hundredth spot, okay? So I'm going to look behind, and it is 5 or more, so I'm going to round up, and my answer is going to be $1.37 per app, okay? Okay, so my next one, I would have put it as meters over seconds because I want to know the amount per second. You could have done it the other way. Either way it works out. It should work out as long as you put your 1 in the correct spot. So this would be my words, my note.